So as I kept going, they're always saying, the PNW companies are always telling me to find a local cobbler when they know perfectly well that local cobblers don't do a bunch of this kind of stuff. That that again, they try to pretend like they do this kind of stuff. It's a PNW boot now. No, it's not. It's not the same leather. It's not the same outsole. Well, it might be the same outsole, but it's not the same build construction connecting the outsole. It's not this blah blah blah. Anyway. But they also have long lead times and such for their new builds. So if the job doesn't pay enough, then of course they don't want to throw you in the queue when they have a bunch of other customers willing to pay full price for a new product. Then the slimmer margin that is likely incurred in a rebuild, because it is a business. Okay. I have not contacted Whites about rebuild stuff yet because my first purchase with them, they would offer no priority if I wanted to change that last, but they may still do more service stuff than Nix offers. Don't know.